Hey guys, welcome back to David's tutorial. Today I'll show you how to add items to your wish list on the PopMart app in 2025.
First, open the PopMart app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. From the home screen, tap the search for or browse through the categories to find the figure, line box, or collection you like. When you tap on the product page, you'll see the item's details, photos, price, and availability. Right next to the Add to Cart button, there's a heart icon. Just tap the heart icon and the item is instantly saved to your wish list. You'll see it turn solid, confirming it's added. To check everything you've saved, go back to your profile by tapping Me at the bottom right corner, then select Wishlist. Here you can view, organize, or remove items anytime and easily buy them when they restock. That's it. Find what you love, tap the heart, and your wish list will keep it all in one spot. That's all. Thanks for watching David's tutorial.